Good day, viewers. You are welcome back to Tindanious Maths and Science Tutorials. If you are new here, kindly like, share, subscribe, and comment for more interesting videos. We are still treating integration, but this time around we are going to consider questions to appreciate the principles regarding integration. So the first question reads, perform, we have integral of the expression x plus 2 all squared, and we are integrating this with respect to what? With respect to x, that is dx. So I have this, I have integral of, then I have x plus 2 all squared dx. Viewers, you can use other alternative approach to solve this question. You can use integration by substitution, but we haven't gotten there yet. So let's use our normal way of doing things to integrate this. We already know that, so let's tackle the integrand first. We know that x plus 2 all squared is the same as what? X plus 2 multiplying another what? X plus 2 this way, right? And this is the same as we have x, so this x multiplies this whole expression, and these two also multiplies the whole expression. So I have x multiplying x plus 2, then plus 2, then I have x plus 2. So x times x gives what? X squared plus 2 by x, 2x plus 2x, then plus 2 to 4. So I have x squared plus 4x plus what? Plus 4. As simple as that. So therefore, integral of x plus 2 all squared dx is the same as integral of the whole of this expression, the same as this. Okay, we just expanded this to get this. So I have x squared plus 4x plus 4, then what? Then dx. We know how to differentiate this, right? So we have x to the power, when you add 1 to this exponent, you have what? 3. So we have 3, the all over the new exponent, which is 3, then plus we have 4x, this is 4x to the power 1. Okay, when you add 1 to that power, you have what? You have 2. So I have 2 divided by the new exponent, which is what? Which is 2. Then plus, we learned that whenever you differentiate a constant, or whenever you integrate a constant, you have what? You have the constant for the x. So clearly, this becomes 1 over 3 x cubed, then plus 2 divides 4, 2 times the half x to the power 2, then plus 4x. Because this is indefinite integration, you add what? Constant of integration. As simple as that. This is the first question. The second question reads, find all the possible formula for y, given that dy dx is equal to x cubed minus 3x. I told you that the process of finding for a function of say y is equal to f of x, given its derivative, is known as what? Integration. So the question number 2, we have given dy over dx is equal to x cubed minus 3x. Okay, we are looking for y. What do? We know that dy is equal to x cubed minus 3x. See, this dx multiplies what? This expression. So I have times 1 times dx. Then we want to eliminate d. So what do? You integrate what? Both sides. So I have d cancels the integral sign, so you have what? Y is equal to, then I have x cubed minus 3x, then dx. So y is equal to, when you integrate this, you have x to the power, this is 3, you add 1 to 3, you have 4. Then all over the new exponent, which is 4, then minus 3x to the power 2 by 2. This is the same as 3x to the power 1. So you add 1 to the 1, you have 2. Then divided by the new exponent, which is what? Which is 2. Then plus the constant of integration. So viewers, this is the end of this question. This is the same as 1 over 4 times x to the power 4 minus 3 over 2 times x to the power 2, then plus c. As simple as that. Let's consider the third one. Integrate the following, okay, with respect to x. So we have this. Number 3i. We have 3x squared plus 2x plus 1. To integrate this, so we have integral of 3x squared plus 2x plus 1 d what? Dx. And this is the same as what? 3x, 2 plus 1 is what? 3, right? Then all over the exponent 3. Then plus 2x to the power what? 2, because this is 2x to the power 1. You add 1, it becomes 2. Then all over 2. Then plus, you have 1. Whenever you integrate a constant, you have what? 1x. 1x the same as what? The same as x. Plus constant of what? Of integration. Clearly, this cancels this. So we have x cubed plus 2 cancels to we have x squared plus what? Plus x plus what? Plus c. As simple as that. And the last question is this. So we have 5 over x to the power 2 minus 6 over x to the power 3 plus 6 over x to the power 4. So to convert this is equal to the function y. Okay. So let's use the law of indices, okay, to transform this. So this is the same as 5 to the power, that's 5x to the power negative 2, then minus, we have 6, then x to the power negative 3, then plus 6, then x to the power negative 4. So what do? You want to integrate this with respect to x. So this becomes, we have 5 here, then we have x to the power. When you add 1, so let me do this, so negative 2 plus 1. Then all over negative 2 plus 1. Then I have minus 6 x to the power, I have negative 3, then add 1 to the power. For integration, always add 1 to the power. Then all over negative 3 plus 1. Then plus, you have 6x to the power negative 4, then you add 1 to the power, then over negative 4 plus 1, plus my constant of integration. So I'll have 5x to the power negative 1 all over negative 1. Then I have minus 6x to the power negative 2. Then all over negative 2. Then I have plus 6x to the power what? Negative 3 all over negative 3 plus my constant of integration. For want of space, let me rewrite this over here. So I have 5x to the power negative 1 over negative 1 minus 6x then negative 2 over negative 2 plus 6x to the power negative 3 over negative 3 plus my constant of integration. So viewers, this is the same as negative 5x to the power negative 1. Okay, negative affects this. Then negative, that's when negative and negative, when they commute this way, you have positive. So I have positive here. 2 divides 6 3 times. So I have x to the power negative 2. Then when negative and positive commute, you have negative. then 3 divided 6 2 times, then I have s to the power negative 3 plus my constant of integration. Viewers, this is the answer. You can still go further because the question, look at the original question, viewers, was given in this form. Okay, yes, in a fractional form, okay, in a fraction form. So we can still convert this to a fraction. So this is the same as what? We have negative 5 over x, then we have plus, we have 3 over s to the power positive 2, then minus, we have 2 over s to the power positive 3, then plus my constant of integration. Viewers, this is the end of the tutorials. Now the question is, we've been adding constant of integration. Why are we supposed to leave our answer this way? Why are we doing that? We are doing this because we are not giving any extra information in finding for our constant integration. So we have a situation where we are giving extra information or detailed information in order to find for constant of integration or the arbitrary constant. That will lead us to what we call boundary conditions. Meet me in my subsequent video lectures where we will tackle boundary conditions. Bye.